In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Tastytrade. Tastytrade is a powerful platform for trading options, stocks, futures and more. If you're just getting started, here's how to use it. Firstly, visit tastytrade.com and sign up for a new account. Complete your profile, verify your identity and link your bank account for deposits or withdrawals. Once approved, download the Tastytrade desktop app or use the mobile app for easy access. Now go to My Money, Deposits, then click Link your bank account and follow the steps to connect it. Initiate a deposit. Tastytrade has a sleek interface with several key areas like Watch List, Trade tab, Positions, Charts, and Activity. Customize charts types, add indicators, use drawing tools, or save your charts for later reference. Now go to the Trade tab, choose the stock or ETF symbol, select the strategy, then set the quantity, expiration date, and strike price. Then review the order and send it. Now go to Positions to view your open trades. You can close, roll, or adjust your trades directly. Use the Activity tab to track fills and order status. And that's it, guys.